Cribl Packs just got a major upgrade. Now you can define sources and destinations directly inside a pack. And best of all, you can push changes straight to your Git repositories. In this demo, I've imported the dev branch of my pack into a sandbox Cribl instance. I'm going to be testing some updates here before promoting them into a test and production environment. This means seamless GitOps for observability pipelines, and that I can create multiple branches of a pack, each tied to a different Cribl environment, such as dev, test, prod, all completely isolated and version controlled. Yeah, inside this pack, I can see sources and destinations defined, letting me test end-to-end streaming use cases right in my dev environment. So let's make a quick update here. I'm going to bump this pack version, commit the change, push directly to the dev branch in Git, and voila, it's fast, controlled, fully traceable. Now, back in my Git repository, I'll open up a pull request, review the changes, and when it's ready, I'll merge them into test. This is automatically syncing into my Cribl test environment with the latest update. With sources and destinations in packs and Git, you have versioned and environment-specific workflows, which makes configuration authoring faster and more consistent. Start building smarter and shipping faster with Cribl Packs and Git today.